Miss just in front of its nose. Up to the silhouette. 8, 7, 6. Impact. Miss. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Miss. Impact. Right in its jaw, it looked like. So I'd venture to guess your other ones on silhouette are left. Miss?
It looked like a splash off the steel, but I hear nothing, so I don't know what to tell you.
Well, if you saw a splash, it's a hit.
Yeah.
Impact.
But
Impact.
there's the damage.
Mm-hmm.
Must have just nicked the edge on that last.
Yeah, normally that one makes noise no matter what, you know? One minute left, Jeff. Ton of time. Impact. 8, 7, 6. What's that?
It's out there.
Oh, never mind.
Impact.